Here we've got a 2012 CVO Street Glide. Gonna put a sound system in this bike. This bike here is going to get this product right here. We're going to use American hard bag 5x7 to 6x9 adapters for the Hertz Mille Pro 6x9s. The lowers right here. We're going to install some HERTZ CPX Pro 165 Pros. Of course, the Aquatic HS radio, top of the line radio, plug and play. We're going to use American hard bag adapters that will allow us to put SPL Show 165 mids and ST25 tweeters, 2 Hertz Marine 4-channel amps. One 4-channel is going to run your mids and tweeters. The other 4-channel is going to run the 6x9s and CPX Pro speakers. So that's the beginning. This is before we start working on this particular bike. We still got our 2008 Street Glide going on there. And we're going to start around this bike here. It's going to be a happy camper. 702 motor in Las Vegas. Alright, we got this 2012 Street Glide CVO ripped apart here. Saddlebags are off. So we took out that factory amplifier in the rear, took out the factory amp in the front. We're going to rewire everything to these Hertz 4-channel amps. We'll replace these speakers here. That's what your bike will look like when we rip it apart. Okay, here's an updated video on the 2012 CVO. It's got Aquatic HS radio installed with Hertz Show 165.1 mids and the ST25 tweeters. And a stock fairing. We've got one set of the Mille Pro 6x9s installed reverse saddlebags. Everything still works like factory. There's all your wiring. Goes through the factory disconnect, quick disconnect, which we have over here to disconnect it quickly, right there. Second bag. Got your second Mille Pro 6x9 along with your extension. And here we have the Hertz 4-channel amplifier. The side of the bag. It's all your wiring. Also going through your factory Harley disconnect, and these are all your disconnects. So if you want to take your bags off, you're going to be able to disconnect all that. Super easy. Going back to the front of the bike here. This bike is not tuned yet, so nothing is finalized. That's how the 165.1 mids fit. There's a special bracket that's used that houses that ST25 tweeter. And we also have a second Hertz 4-channel amp up here, HMP 4D. It's not fully mounted yet because it's not tuned. Aquatic radio. There's always a distance between the amp and the radio. We do not mount amps directly to the radio. It's always going to be a gap for cooling. Alright, next video we'll have some music.
I don't know nobody else that's doing this. Body start to drop, ayy, hit the floor. Now they wanna know me since I hit the top. Ayy, this a rolling, not a stop. Watch, shit don't never stop. Just a flow that got the block hot. Shit got super hot, ayy. Give me my respect. I just took it left like on ambidex. Bitch, I'm
Alright, everything's all tuned. We're going to put it back together, deliver this bike to the customer. And you hear one more demo before he picks it up. Alright.